Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones JBL Tune Beam to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now, if you have Android, click pair with new device, and then open the case. Now it entered to pairing mode, so we should see it. Now click on the headphones, then hide the settings and go to the application. Open it, click Get Started, accept, and just click on your headphones. Get started, later, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.